The subject of today's video is how to make more money on TikTok with affiliate marketing. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sales price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer, advertiser, or company. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup cost. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join, that ask for your credit card. Do your research first before you give them your credit card. It's no secret that TikTok is the next big thing. The app has exploded in popularity over the last few years, and despite challenges to its ability to operate in the US, it appears that it's here to stay. In a similar vein, affiliate marketing has also steadily grown in power and popularity recently, which means that savvy marketers will be looking for ways to use affiliate marketing on TikTok. The short video format of TikTok enables you to demonstrate products in real time, or at the very least visually showcase them. The brief recordings can be more impactful for viewers than simply reading about them in a blog post or watching a lengthy YouTube video. TikTok videos are restricted at the moment to 3 minutes. With that being said, you can also place your affiliate links in video descriptions, provided that you have a TikTok business account, so that users can get the same ease of access as a written format. Now, here are some strategies for effective affiliate marketing on TikTok. 1. Create a business account, and you need a smartphone to do that. I tried to do it on my computer, but they make you use your smartphone to create a business account. If you like to start promoting products on TikTok, we recommend setting up a business account or switching to one if you currently have a creator profile. TikTok for Business is designed to help brands get discovered more quickly. 2. Choose your affiliate marketing products carefully. Putting together videos for TikTok can be time-consuming. As a content creator, your daily to-do list may already include creating content for other social media pages. To save time and energy, it's important to determine which products could do well on TikTok before working on your videos. You may want to start by checking out the trending topics on the TikTok business platform. Although TikTok boasts a wide variety of users with varied interests and lifestyles, the overall demographic skews the young. In fact, over 60% of users are under the age of 30, and half of those users are under 20. It's wise to consider these age groups when deciding which products to promote. For best results, we recommend sticking to products that appeal to millennials and Generation Z. Additionally, consider that these users may be less likely to have large amounts of disposable income. Number 3, focus on building a strong TikTok channel. Affiliate marketing is largely a numbers game. It's important to create strong content and present products appealingly. However, sales often come down to how many impressions you get on your videos. The more people who see them, the more opportunities you have to convert. To get views needed for an effective affiliate marketing campaign, it's smart to focus on building your channel. We recommend keeping up with and leveraging emerging trends, using hashtags properly, and capitalizing on content that goes viral to building momentum. It's best to target at least 15 new videos a month for TikTok. 3. Considering paying for TikTok ads. As with most social platforms, TikTok offers the option to pay for promoted content. Promoted content guarantees a certain number of impressions. While these impressions don't necessarily mean you'll see the results you want, more sales, they definitely increase the odds. 4. Work the product into your videos organically. If you spend any time on TikTok yourself, you'll probably notice that many content creators feature branded products in their videos. Often, creators position the items quite prominently and sometimes don't directly mention them. They're simply in the frame of the video. New TikTok users might not notice them right away, as the placement is meant to be somewhat organic and subtle. However, over time, it becomes easier to see certain brands and products pop up constantly in videos from diverse creators. Display your affiliate links in the videos. As mentioned earlier, when you have a TikTok business account, you can add a link to the profile page. However, you can only have one link at a time, so you may have to find other means of directing viewers to your products. One way to do this is by displaying links within your content. For instance, let's say you create a video in which you recommend a few items that travelers should pack in their hand luggage. At the end of the clip, you can show your affiliate link to the shop where viewers can purchase those products. You can also add this link to the video caption. Now, Canva.com offers some beautiful templates for TikTok videos. Generate short links to your products or services. When displaying links in your videos and captions, it's important to remember that these are not clickable. Viewers may have to enter a link in their browser to visit the page you're promoting. Therefore, we recommend using links that are memorable. Unfortunately, affiliate links tend to be long and messy, which may put off your viewers. However, you can use Pretty Links. It's prettylinks.com plugin to generate short branded links for the products you want to promote on TikTok. Conclusion. TikTok and affiliate marketing go together extremely well. Whether you already have a large following on TikTok and you want to start earning income from it, or you're an affiliate marketer looking for a new platform, you can't go wrong by combining the two. The simplest and best affiliate coaching program for beginners is Devon Brown. You can find his link below. The best Google ad and clickbank training is with John Crestani and his SES training system, and his link can be found below. I am also currently enrolled in both the Pajama Profits training system with David Chevalier as my coach, as well as the Partner with Anthony training program, and my coach there is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels 2, $1 million words to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, John Crestani, Devon Brown, or Pajama Profits, click on the links below and see which best meets your needs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with the new video to your continued affiliate marketing success. Thank you.